Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Kraken, a popular cryptocurrency exchange. Specifically, I'm going to be addressing the question, can you use Kraken offline? I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, so I'm happy to provide some clarity on the matter. Before we get into the specifics of using Kraken offline, let's first talk about what Kraken is and why you might want to use it. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's one of the largest and most popular exchanges in the world, and it's known for its security and reliability. One of the reasons why you might want to use Kraken is because it offers a number of features that other exchanges don't. For example, Kraken allows you to trade cryptocurrencies using margin, which can help you amplify your returns. It also offers a number of advanced trading tools, such as stop-loss orders and limit orders. Another reason why you might want to use Kraken is because it's a secure exchange. Kraken has a number of security measures in place to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication, cold storage, and encryption. Now that we've covered the basics of Kraken, let's get back to the question at hand. Can you use Kraken offline? The answer is yes, you can use Kraken offline. However, there are some limitations to using Kraken offline. First, you can only use Kraken offline to view your account and trade history. You can't buy or sell cryptocurrencies offline. Second, you need to have a Kraken account in order to use Kraken offline. This means that you will need to create an account and verify your identity before you can use Kraken offline. Third, you need to have the Kraken desktop app installed on your computer. The Kraken desktop app is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you have met these requirements, you can use Kraken offline by opening the Kraken desktop app. You will then be able to log into your account and view your account and trade history. Here are some of the benefits of using Kraken offline. You can access your account and trade history even if you are not connected to the internet. You can avoid the risk of having your account hacked or compromised by online attackers. You can trade more quickly and efficiently. Here are some of the drawbacks of using Kraken offline. You can't buy or sell cryptocurrencies offline. You need to have a Kraken account in order to use Kraken offline. You need to have the Kraken desktop app installed on your computer. Overall, using Kraken offline is a great way to access your account and trade history even if you are not connected to the internet. However, there are some limitations to using Kraken offline, such as the fact that you can't buy or sell cryptocurrencies offline. If you are considering using Kraken offline, it is important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks carefully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use Kraken offline. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will also be creating more videos about Kraken in the future, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.